Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need the student license active and compatible hardware. Once signed in, pick a template and set units right away. Start a new part, choose a primary plane, and draw the first sketch with clear dimensions so the geometry is driven. Make sure to apply constraints as you go, because they prevent later surprises. Once done, use the extrude or revolve command to convert that sketch to solid geometry and save incremental versions so you can revert if needed. You now focus on robust modeling techniques. Apply extrude and revolve for main volumes, add fillet and chamfer for realistic edges, and use shell to hollow parts quickly. Use named parameters so a single number change updates the whole design, which saves time during revisions. When assembling, place mates and constraints to define relative motion, then run an interference check to catch collisions early. Once done, perform a simple motion study to confirm. You finish by creating detailed drawings with views, dimensions, and tolerances so manufacturers understand intent. Once complete, produce a BOM if needed. Export an SDL for printing or a step file to share with collaborators, and keep versions backed up. If something goes wrong, isolate the issue. Check sketch constraints, rebuild the feature history, and use rollback to identify the offending step. Make sure to reapply missing relations or fix overdefined sketches. This single troubleshooting step resolves most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.